Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Once again, if you're new here, my name is Chillin and this is FemFemNY. And before everything, I would like to thank you guys for joining me. And for today's video, I'm gonna be making another beautiful flower. And this is a huge flower using our marble balloon right here. And this is gonna be pink. The size of this is 12 inches. And we will put this 260Q around it, okay? So with that said, we'll inflate our 12 inches balloon. This balloon will be inflated to 8 inches or 20.32 centimeter. Alright guys, so inflated all 6 balloons here. So we will put this on here. We'll connect that. I'll connect them loosely. So I'll connect them not too close from each other, so just a little gap right here. And then inflate your 260Q. Just like that, leaving a little tail at the end. And there you go, we got 6 total 260Q balloon right here. Put that on the side. Alright guys, so this time we have our 5 inches balloon right here. This is chrome gold. We will inflate this to 4.5 inches or 11.43 centimeter. So tie them together like that. Alright guys, so they're all inflated right here. We have 2, 4, and then we only need 5, by the way, not 6. So I'll chop this off. So we need 5. This is gonna be a 5 petal flower. So we'll put this together right here, 2, and then your third one, attach it to your duplex right here. Now there's 3 balloons. Just connect this here. So we need 5 in total. Okay, like that. It's gonna look like this. So now we need our 5 inches gold balloon attached together, and then put this in the center. So it'll be one on opposite side. I'll wrap this here, just like that. So you have your flower right here, like that. So now that you have your flower right here, I know it's not arranged yet, but we'll leave it like that because we still have to put this. And then use this one right here. So grab one of your end right here and tie your 260Q balloon right here. So now once we got this attached, I'm gonna bring the camera closer. So I tied it on the bottom right here, and then you put this like that. So you're gonna make a gonna pinch
and twist. Pinch again here and twist for the under. It's gonna be like that. What we're gonna do is release air here, cut, and just wrap that here. Leave it like that for now. Now you get the other balloon here. Is the end. Actually, just put it right here, squeeze. Put this on top. Again, you want to have the same size or length. So you're going to pinch here, twist. So I'm going to cut this off right here. So now you just have to attach it on the bottom again. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. So you wanna do all this for 5 petals. So now we got this here, so we just have to arrange that in place. So we got this here, we'll just have to feed it through. That. So now we'll flip this and we'll do the same thing on this side. Alright guys, so as I said, we're done with this side. So supposed to be we're gonna put another color like this on the opposite side right here, but unfortunately I run out with this color. I did not notice that that was the last of it. So we will just use this color instead on the opposite side. So the same thing, you want to make sure it's the same length as what you're using there. Alright guys, so as I said, I found an easier way how to make this before you wrap it around. Just like shape it like that, all 5 of them, okay? And then, as I said, you can do this on this side as well. Okay, prep it like that. So flip this, so if you have the same color, that would be better. So now, we're just gonna put this in here, just like that. It's a lot easier than the other way. Put it like that. So now you got all this. So now you need to connect this to right here. Alright guys, so now we have this here on each side. So as I said, I run out with this color, so I end up using this hot pink color. But if you do have the same color, that would be better. So now you just want to put this here and then connect these 2 ends together. So what you need to do is just twist them, those ends, just like that, and you connect. You do this on all 5 petals. Just like that. So now I have this like this. So we will arrange this by stretching this. Open this up. I don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna go closer here. Just like that, guys. So you want always one is on top of the other. Just like that, guys. And then on the other side, you want to do the same thing. So you'll need 262 again gold. This is gonna be our beads. So if you want to know how to make these beads in a step-by-step tutorial, we have a separate video for this right on there. Just follow that video. Because we'll fast forward this so it's not going to be too long on this video. So you just have to put this here, and then we'll use balloon glue dots so it'll stay in place. So we have some balloon glue dots right here. Put this on here. And here you go, guys. This is it. This is the final look of our flower balloon right here. And
I hope you guys like this, and if you do, please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. So guys, we'll see you guys in our next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!